Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we're going to discuss how you can fix the issue if your Wi-Fi icon is not showing on your taskbar. So let's get started right away. Now, if for some reason you are not seeing the Wi-Fi icon within your taskbar, then go ahead and click on where it should be originally, and you may just find it within the notification bar that pops up. If you don't find it here as well, then you will need to make sure that the flight mode or airplane mode is not turned on, because when this is turned on, you will not see your Wi-Fi indicator icon at the bottom section. So even after making sure that airplane mode is turned off, if you are still not seeing your Wi-Fi icon, then the only logical explanation would be that your Wi-Fi driver is either not installed or it has become outdated. So in order to fix this, just right click on the Start button and then click on Device Manager. Now from the Device Manager page, click on Network Adapters, and from here you will need to locate your wireless network adapter. Once you find it, just right click on it and click on the Update Driver button. From here, you may search automatically for your latest drivers by clicking on the Search Automatically option, and if you already have the latest version downloaded, you can click on Browse My Computer for drivers. After choosing either one of these options, you may install the latest version of the Wi-Fi network driver on your device, and after doing so, you may need to restart your computer once, and after restarting, you will start to see the Wi-Fi icon, and you will now be able to connect to your closest Wi-Fi networks. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix the Wi-Fi icon not showing issues on your Windows 11 PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.